Come put this barn together with me. We got this barn for my son, the barn from Terra, and it is adorable and so sturdy. And so I filmed the whole process of me putting it together so I could show you. Now, I did speed things up and cut things out so you wouldn't be here for so long, but it did take me right at 30 minutes total, just so you have an idea of how long you're going to be working. The instructions were very clear, easy to follow. I had to use one manual screwdriver throughout the whole thing, and the rest of the things just clipped into place. All the pieces are labeled with letters, so you know where to put them. It is very easy to put together, so do not let that deter you from getting this barn. I'll let you keep watching, and I might insert my comments at a couple places, but I think it's very straightforward. So keep watching if you want to see the step-by-step process of what it's like to build this barn. And if you're in the market for an imaginative play area for your kids, I would absolutely recommend this barn. This part here might have been the trickiest part of the whole process, and even that wasn't that difficult. I just had to hold the barn at the right angle to get these clips in.